Remember when the fights we got in were about who was going to be the mom while playing house, and the person who lost in Black Shoe had to be the dad, and it was a fight with our parents what we were going to wear? I never left the house without a dress-up skirt on, even if it was on top of my pants. Now, we're forced to wear skirts and not so ecstatic about it anymore. And as kids, we never had to worry about getting dressed and choosing outfits. Miraculously, I woke up every morning to clothes set up for me, and most of the time, my mom even helped me put them on. It's such a struggle every morning to choose what to wear. Did I wear this last week? Does this match? Why is there a stain on this shirt? And no one tell me get dressed. What if I can't do up my zipper? Or shoelaces? Can we make it a trend to wear Velcro? Or how about when we were so upset to get a blue candy, not a pink one, but now we're so worried about being slim that we avoid candy. Life is so hard now. When we were young, we wished to be older. We always wanted to be older than we were, so that when someone asked us our age, we would answer 5 1/8 in 3 days, and I'm 17.5 days older than my cousin. Anything to make us older. We would wear those costume heels that our mom would tell us not to wear on the stairs and only carpeted floor, try on her makeup, and beg to sit at the adult table. I now wish I could sit at the kids' table. I'd much prefer chicken fingers and not have to answer my parents' friends' questions about what I want to do with my life. I don't know. When I was 6, I knew exactly what I wanted to be. A teacher. But now, I don't want to spend another day in this place. Also, stop asking me what university I want to go to. I don't even know what I want for dinner. Throwback to when the hardest thing we learned was addition, and we thought spelling tests were so hard and getting a 99 on them was bad. But now, we have tests on radicals with fractions and have to somehow graph that and say what line it doesn't meet. What? And we're happy to just get a 70. Or we have to know why Lady Macbeth told Macbeth to kill Duncan and how that relates to the theme of the play and when she said it and who was there when she said it and what changed when she said it and what does this Shakespearean word mean and what does this word symbolize in her speech, and then do that again for we don't even know how many quotes. When we were kids, we'd be in bed by 8, still having time for our coloring homework and to watch tons of TV after school. But now, going to bed at 11 is early, barely having time to write 2 essays, do 10 Ripsy math assignments, do an ISP in every subject, and squeeze in studying for the test and quiz tomorrow that you forgot about. Then, obviously, go into bed and try to catch up on everything you missed from the Hype House and read comments about Charlie's new haircut, stressing about everything else you still have to do. The one phrase we heard over and over was, you get what you get and you don't get upset. But we would still cry. Now, even if we are upset, we're too nice and Canadian to say so. We just politely say thank you. And while that was a phrase we heard over and over again, the most common phrases we hear now are questions, comments, criticism, complaints, and sorry, we're getting rid of spares next year. Oh wait, we don't hear that. Remember when we got in an argument with a friend and would say, you're not invited to my birthday party anymore? Now it's paragraphs over text and screenshots sent to people, or avoiding each other in the halls, or R&Ring them on Snapchat. Life is complicated. Why did we ever want to grow up? I'm moving to Neverland. Who's with me?